Hello friend, how are you? I hope all are very good. Today I want to discuss do, did and does. How to use do, did and does. So without any delay, let's get start. So do, does and did. How to use do, does and did. Present form I, you, we, they mean plural number we can use do, and he, she, it singular number always use does, and past form we can use did, like I, you, we, they. Plural number and singular number does not matter, but if it's past tense we can use did. So make some negative sentence, add only not. Okay, so let's start. Subject, then do or does not plus main verb plus rest of sentence. Like example, I don't like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. You don't sing very well. We don't go to Sundarban every year. He doesn't want a new phone. There use third person singular number he, so we can use does. And next, that piano doesn't look old. So next page, did. So where we can use did only use past tense. When we making past tense sentence, so we can use did. Subject plus did not plus main verb plus rest of sentence. So there are some example, you can read this or see this. So I did not like ice cream when I was kid. You didn't sing very well at the party. We didn't go Sundarban last year. They didn't live in a big house. They didn't live in a big house. He didn't play hockey in college. She didn't want a new phone. That piano didn't look old. So these all are past tense. So we found some example making question. There do, does plus subject plus main verb rest of sentence. So he walked to school. This is simple sentence. He walked to school. So we can write or we can say, does he walk to school? The main sentence he, so that's why there come does. Does he walk to school? You speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? We have some homework for tomorrow. Do you have any homework for tomorrow? They eat meat. Do they eat meat? So there are also simple sentence, he walks to school. He means we can use does. We always use does. Does he walk to school? She works at Microsoft. Does he work at Microsoft? Okay, so this cell phone has a camera. Does the cell phone has a camera? So we can also use negative sentence like that. So their formula is do, does, subject plus not and main verb. So do I not look good in this shirt? Do I not look good in this shirt? Do you not speak English? Does he not walk to school? Does he not walk to school? So both are negative sentence. So we can move don't, does not and subject plus main verb. There are some example. Okay, so don't do not, they are short form don't. So don't I look good in this shirt? Don't you speak English? Don't they eat meat? Doesn't he walk to school? Doesn't he work at Microsoft? So we also use short form of do not or does not. And there have a past sentence, we making past sentence with did. So formula is did, first we read or speak did, then subject, then main verb, then rest of sentence. Did I look good in this shirt? Did I look good in this shirt? Did you speak English at school? Did they eat meat at the restaurant? Did he walk to school this morning? Did she used to work at Microsoft? So all are do, did and does. Always remember do, does always use present form. Do only use singular number. Do only use present form plural number. Okay, sorry, mistake. Do only use plural number. Okay, see, look this. Do only use I, you, we, they, plural number. We can use, we should use do. And he, she, it, that is singular number. So always we should use does. And I, we, they, plural number, he, she, it, singular number. They are both are singular plural number. There no other. We can always use did. Okay, so this is the video today.